Begin with the latest on the Ebola situation. Now, overnight, we learned a healthcare worker from Dallas who may have been exposed to Ebola while working to help Thomas Eric Duncan is on a cruise ship in the Caribbean.
Yeah, imagine that. The State Department says she has quarantined herself aboard that ship, and she's being monitored for any signs of infection, fever, that kind of thing. She left 5 days ago before she was notified of the required monitoring. She did not work directly with Thomas Eric Duncan, that man there, but instead did handle clinical specimens from him. Meantime, the first nurse from Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital diagnosed with Ebola has been transferred to the National Institutes of Health in Bethesda, Maryland.
ABC's Tamon Bradley is there live right now, and he has the latest for us. Tamon?
Virginia and Bill, good morning. Nina Felm, that first nurse to test positive for Ebola, arrived here overnight. We're told she is in good condition. She's going to be getting some great care here. They have a large isolation area as well as experts in infectious diseases. She left Texas Presbyterian Hospital, her hospital, really because they're overwhelmed by Ebola. There are not enough healthcare workers there to care for her. She arrived overnight in a special plane. She was wearing a biosuit, walked off that plane into an ambulance that brought her here to the NIH. And before she left, her colleagues down at that Dallas hospital gave her a big send-off. They were cheering her, a lot of excitement, and of course there were some tears. And we saw Felm for the first time. She looked like she was doing better. She was smiling and thanked everyone for all the love and support. And she was even joking with her colleagues, saying that she wished they could come with her up here to Maryland so they could have a party here. Now, that other nurse who tested positive is in Atlanta at a similar hospital like this, receiving care. Health officials in Dallas continue to monitor about 75 people who may have had some sort of contact with Thomas Eric Duncan, that Ebola patient who died last week. Live in Bethesda, Maryland, Tamon Bradley, 10 News.
Tamon, so many people are curious because they even moved her at all. How is she doing? What's her condition?
You know, she is improving. She's going to be getting a lot of care. They transferred her there. You know, these are hospitals that specialize in this. The CDC wants either an Ebola SWAT team to go to hospitals where people are diagnosed, or for them to be taken to these specialized units. She's going to get some great care.
Yeah, and the president's even talking about appointing a czar to handle the Ebola outbreak. Tamon Bradley, thank you for that live report from Bethesda.